Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make butter egg masala. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including 6 to 8 eggs, a generous amount of butter, and your preferred spices. Begin by boiling the eggs until they are perfectly firm, then peel them carefully. Next, finely chop 1 large onion, 2 medium tomatoes, and 1 or 2 green chilies, depending on your spice preference. This initial preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now let's build the rich flavor base. In a pan, melt about 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and sauté them until they become beautifully golden brown, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Stir in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for another minute until it releases its aromatic fragrance. Finally, add 1/2 cup of tomato puree and cook, stirring occasionally, until the oil begins to separate from the mixture, indicating it's well cooked. It's time to introduce the spices that give this dish its signature taste. Reduce the heat to low and mix in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Add a small splash of water, about 1/4 cup, to prevent the spices from burning and to create a smooth paste. Cook for 2 minutes. Then, gently place the boiled and peeled eggs into the simmering masala, ensuring they are well coated with the flavorful sauce. To finish, let the flavors meld together beautifully. Cover the pan and let the butter egg masala simmer on low heat for about 5 minutes. This allows the eggs to absorb all the wonderful spices. Once done, turn off the heat and generously garnish with fresh chopped cilantro. Serve this delightful butter egg masala hot with steamed rice, warm naan bread, or any bread of your choice. Enjoy your homemade, flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.